nature log number 1. This is VRX346. There's going to be an ongoing series. Now, right here we have some Coatis. Now these are from Central America and South America. They are omnivorous, great climbers. They are just thriving here in Mexico right now. And right now they're digging in the bugs, they're climbing the trees for berries and bugs. And I'm gonna put a good photo of one right here. They are really cool, but there are just so many. And they are very active midday to dusk, and some people call them Mexican raccoons. They have lived here for hundreds of years. Really cool. And Coatis make high-pitched noises to communicate, and they kind of rattle their back, making a very high-pitched noise. That's how these animals communicate. They're super cool. And if you're ever in Mexico or northern South America, I definitely recommend trying to see a coati. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.